I'm here with Paige. Yeah, I'm here. I found her. And we're about to meet the YouTubers. I'm really excited to meet Jordan. Are you excited to meet Jordan? And Damon and everybody. You know. Oh my God. It's coming. And this is my new friend.
Hi.
What's your name?
Shyla.
That's Shyla.
What's your name?
Raina.
Lena?
Raina.
Raina?
Raina.
That's a pretty name.
My new friend. This is the line. I really hope I get to meet them. We get all the way up.
It's just a game. She knew I would call her name, but somehow things don't feel the
Chick! What's up, guys? How you doing? This is my first time playing in Indiana. Thank you guys for being here. This is awesome. So you guys having a good day today here? Cool. I like you guys. I like you guys already. Cool. So I'm Say We Can Fly. My name is Brayden. It's nice to meet you. Cool. So if it's okay with you, I'd like to play some songs. Is that okay? Alright, I'll do that. This first one is called Song of the Sparrow. Don't be afraid to sing as loud as you can. Like a sparrow, I can fly, but I cannot touch the sky. Like a flower, I can grow, but I cannot grow. Someday I would like to know that when I die, I will find my soul. And when I'm gone, and my skin is cold, will I care? Where my body goes, where my body goes.
Sing it loud. Have you noticed that you're breathing, Indiana? Look around and got your blessings. When you think about the stress and the guessing, not the just you turn this up and then kidding. Now let's not get overzealous here. You've always been a huge piece of shit. If I didn't kill you, I would. But it's frowned upon in awful these things. Trust fall.
Warped Tour is over. Headed back to the car, and then I'm going home, and I'm really sad, but I got a Say We Can Fly shirt, and I really, really love it. Right now it looks like I'm not even wearing pants because it's a long shirt. He signed it, and he also signed my shoes, and I will put pictures like at the end, but oh, my hair. Okay.
Don't forget about Cody Carson.
Yes, I met Cody Carson, and we did like this set it off finger symbol thing. Oh my god. I met all of the YouTubers, and I met Say We Can Fly. He was the first person I ever met, and I about had a heart attack when I met him. Sorry, oh gosh, I do fangirl too much. Look at the sunset, it's pretty. So yeah, first Warped Tour ever was a success, and I feel weird because I'm vlogging in public, but anyway, I'm not really sure what else to say. I gave all the YouTubers stuffed animals, and Jordan did his little wah like sound thing when I gave it to him, and oh god, guys, I'm just a puddle of emotions, honestly. Ooh, that sunset giving me a nice glow there. So yeah, I'm out of breath. I'm still like flustered. Okay, bye.